Like a half up, half down moment. Ooh, prepare to be sick of me. Hey loves, it's Wendy G and welcome to my channel. If you're new here and if you're returning, then hey girl, how you doing? I really wanted to film a talk through because I haven't in a while. I've been doing a lot of voiceovers and I just wanted to be here. I want to chit chat with the girls, okay? I hope it's not too loud in here. I hope you can hear me okay because I'm definitely in the bathroom. I'm making some changes to the channel. I'm working on a new YouTube background. We're gonna get that together soon. But for right now, this is where I normally do my hair. And I got a big mirror. I can really get into it and show y'all exactly what I would normally do. So I'm an Aquarius. I get bored super easy and I need to like switch stuff up. I don't know where I'm like that, but I really wanted to get some box braids, okay? I want to give baby hair long box braid vibes, but I also am not trying to sit in a chair for hours or pay $50–$11. Like back when I was a braider, don't get me wrong, I was making my coins. But the girls these days, honey, they said inflation, them prices going up, and I respect it. However, who don't have $500 for some box braids is me. That's kind of insane. So when my girls Fancivivi hit me up, I was a little excited, okay? Today's video is sponsored by Fancivivi and they sent me a 36-inch small knotless braided full lace wig. And when I tell you I'm excited, I'm excited. If this works, I'm never getting box braids again because why would I do that? Why would I waste my time? This is the package. I don't know if you guys can see. The glare is probably crazy, but it's super cute. It comes with like a little hanger. I haven't opened it yet, so let me go ahead. Let's see together. I'm a little shook because I'm not gonna lie, I didn't know what to expect. But when I tell y'all the lace is lacing on this here wig, the lace is lacing and the braids look like insanely neat. Like get in there. Like the HD lace is like thin and good quality. The knots are small. It has baby hair all the way around, which is something I was considering because since it's a full lace wig, I was thinking I can put it in a ponytail if I want to lay the lace down in the back. And you definitely can because you even have baby hair in the back and they're like cute. And then the braids, girl, I don't know how to feel. Like I'm a little too excited right now. She came with like a bonnet, a melting band, and a wig cap, which is also convenient. And I'm ready to get into the install. I wasn't sure what she was gonna give, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little impressed. And now I'm ready to get her together, get her in. My hair, I just washed and conditioned it last night, put some oil in it and twisted it. I thought it was still gonna be wet, but it's mostly dry. So I don't really need to blow dry it. I'm just gonna go ahead and get straight into braiding it. Now, y'all know I switch my hair up an unreasonable amount. So I kind of have all of my hairstyles for the week mapped out. And a lot of them are gonna require me to have edges out. So I think I'm gonna switch up my braiding pattern today. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna keep y'all posted. We're figuring this out together. Okay, so I went ahead and braided my hair up. These are the braids that I want to be able to take down. So I have these like kind of separate. And then this hair I'm going to like crochet up so it just kind of stays up in this area. I braided it up like this so I know what hair I can leave out. But I'm going to go ahead and take this down and slick it back going straight. Just so I can have it really, really flat around the edges and my wig can lay really, really flat. Most of you guys are just going to be wearing wig braids in general, so you don't have to worry about all of this. But in case you switch up your hair a lot like me, I wanted to just go ahead and keep it in here so you guys can know what I be going through, what I be thinking when I come up with my braiding patterns. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and pop on my bald cap so we can get the wig on. I am so ready to see what this hair looks like on. Alright, so I have my bald cap on. I went ahead and put a little bit of bronzer on it. And before we actually get into the install, I want to just try it on to see if I need to adjust the adjustable bands at all. The inside of the cap is really, really nice. It comes with a comb up here at the top as well as a adjustable band in the back, like one of the thick ones with the grip material that I love. And then it also has a comb in the back with adjustable straps here as well. It kind of eats. Like, I don't... Okay, let's just we're doing this. We're really doing this. Like, I'm here for a faux lock wig, don't get me wrong. So I'm not new to the braided wig games. I'm here for it. But I feel like box braids are just a bit different because it's really no wiggle room. It's a lot of scalp showing, so that lace has to be lacing, and I'm a little impressed by this unit. And I believe it's under $200. So for half the price of going to get your hair braided and having to spend hours, you get the full style and you can reuse it. I don't know, y'all. Things may never be the same. So I'm going in with my scissors and I'm going to trim off this excess lace starting in the back. I want to leave a little extra in the front in case I need it to kind of lay the wig down. But I'm just going in and trimming right behind where that baby hair sits. Okay, so she's giving, but I want to brighten up the parts a little bit more just to kind of make them pop and give that like fresh braid look. So I'm going to go in with my Revlon girl, Maybelline Superstay. This one, obsessed with this powder, but I'm going to use this to just run it down the parts. I don't think I can talk while I do this because I need it to be straight. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. I'm obsessed with how fast I was able to do my hair. It took me about 30 minutes, but that's including the bald cap. Just putting the wig on itself was actually super easy because one is glueless, she's flat, she's super thick, she's super pretty. Low-key is given. I don't know. I'm gonna wear it for a few days and give you guys an update. It's 36 inches. I can't even show you guys, it's so long. She's 36 inches, so it comes all the way down here in like a half up, half down moment. Ooh, prepare to be sick of me. I wonder if they have goddess braids. That would be so cute. Thank you again to Fancivivi for working with me. Send me some more hair, y'all. I'm kind of here for the braided wigs. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. All of the information about the hair will be down below in the description bar, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, babes.